Welcome everyone. The first step to use back tap on the 14 Plus is you're going to open up the settings app. You are then going to scroll all the way down until you see the accessibility option. We are then going to find the touch and we're going to tap on this. You then want to scroll down to the bottom and you can see the back tap. We're going to tap on the back tap and here are the settings. So we have double tap, which is tapping the back of the phone twice, and then triple tap, which is tapping the back of the phone 3 times. So I'm going to select the double tap option, and you have all of these things you can choose here. So I'm going to do double tap for the control center, and once it's set, we're going to double tap the back of the phone, and you can see the control center activates. If I double tap again, it will also remove the control center as well. If we want to remove the back tap, we just tap on none. Now when I tap the back of the phone, you can see nothing will happen. You can also set both a double tap and triple tap. So double tap for control center, triple tap for the silent mode. And of course at any time, if we want to turn this off, we just set the values back to none. With that being said, bye bye.